Ever stared at X like it just ruined your day? Like, ugh, what are you, X? A letter? A number? A secret code? It's okay. We've all been there. Lost, confused, low-key, betrayed by math. But don't worry. This isn't just about solving for X. It's about learning something way cooler. Abstraction. Okay, pop-up quiz. What do a Rubik's Cube, a box of cereal, a dice, and a cube-shaped alien spaceship have in common? If you said they are all cubey, congratulations, you've already doing abstraction. Abstraction is equal to thinking beyond the details. You don't care if it's made of plastic, cardboard, or alien tech. Your brain goes up. Yep, that's a cube. Boom, abstract thinking. It's the same with dogs. There are millions of different doggos out there. But when someone says dog, you don't think of every single one. You just get the idea of dog. Fluffy, tail, barks at air. That one. That's abstraction again. Now, let's talk about the number 5. It's not a thing. You can't touch fiveness, but you know what 5 means. No matter how it's written, tally marks, Roman numerals, 5 donuts in your hand, it's still 5. And that, my friend, is abstract thinking. You're crushing it, and you didn't even know it. Now, here's the secret. Algebra is basically one big abstraction party. Instead of saying, Samantha has 3 apples but her friend stole one because of the drama, we say, x minus 1 equals 2. It's shorter, cleaner, and works whether you're talking about apples, pesos, or alien currencies. X can be anything. It's the mystery box of math. So when you solve for X, you're not just doing homework. You're thinking like a scientist, a coder, a designer, an engineer, or a very confused wizard trying to balance potions. You're trying your brain to zoom out, to see patterns, to make sense of messes, aka you're becoming a mental ninja. People who build rockets, make apps, design cool stuff, they don't just memorize formulas. They use abstraction to see the big picture. They don't panic when they don't know something. They think, what can I figure out from what do I do now? Just like solving for X. So next time you see a weird math problem, don't scream. Don't flip the table. Just breathe and remember, you're not just solving for X, you're solving how to think. Abstraction isn't just math stuff. It's a life skill. It's how you figure out people, solve problems, dream up big ideas, and what makes you awesome at thinking. So go ahead, don't just memorize. Think, imagine, simplify, create. You already got this superpower. This is Level Up Plus, helping you learn smart and dream big, because even X is less scary when you've got the right mindset. And snacks always bring snacks.